Welcome to the Basic Detail channel. Today we're gonna turn this into this in only 5 steps. Before to start, mask the edge of the headline to not damage the paint. The first step is to wet sanding your headlights. The goal is to remove all the oxidation in the plastic of your headlights. The secret is to take your time and keep your paper always wet. After a few minutes of sanding, you can rinse off your headlights. The second step is to wet sanding the headlights to make it smoother with a 2000 grit sandpaper. Now it's done, rinse your headlights again. Once it's dry, if your headlights looks like this, you're ready for the third step. You can do this step by hand, but I suggest a polisher if you want better result. Put 3 dots of compound on your pad and start to spread the product slowly on your headlights. The compound step will remove every scratch you made with the sanding paper. After a few minutes with the polisher, remove the compound to see if you miss some spots. If they look good, you're ready for the next step. The next step is to polish your headlights. Put 3 dots of polish on your pad and spread the product slowly. This step is to make a glossy look. After a few minutes of polishing, you can remove the polish. The last step is to protect the work you have done. I suggest a paint sealant because paint sealant can last about 12 months. After let's sit the project about 20 minutes, I wipe it down. After only 10 minutes by headlights, look the crystal clear result. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.